Welcome everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update. We are looking at Bitcoin down here, so I'm just going to tell you very quickly one pattern that is trying to happen for Bitcoin. It's clear we have our head and shoulders, this being the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and at this point of time in the phase, I'm still expecting a move back up here to retest and then finally retest and then drop a little bit more to the downside. So that's my take about Bitcoin at the moment. So you got this one from there going down here, that would be pretty good. So the retest hasn't really happened just yet. I'm wondering, yeah, today is actually such a day, and let's look at the weekly because we're approaching the weekly ending, and here we go. So yeah, let's see, is this I do want to see if we're losing the EMAs or something like that, but it does look like we're coming below the 10 at the moment. And eventually you have a technical target here, so you're going to be below all the three EMAs all in one. And I hope it comes down and then pumps back up very quickly, making people a little bit bearish and then, you know, surprise everyone all of a sudden and then try to move to the upside as well. The market sentiment, in my opinion, from Twitter and other internet sources, if you look at so many people and come to a conclusion, I think the market is 50% of people are kind of bearish and 50% of the people have started to flip bullish. Now the market was super bearish down at 16,000, you know, people were actually freaking out down here. This is where I was entering. I was actually making noises that that's an amazing buying opportunity. I've been preaching this again and again, and yeah, it was always an amazing buying opportunity, and I'm glad that I actually did end up buying a little bit earlier. So right now you are under the EMAs. You can see that you're about to make a bearish closing on the daily, and if you end up confirming this bearish closing and a bear cross as well, then it's pretty obvious that you're looking for Bitcoin to actually come down. So these are two combination: left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head and shoulder, which is actually a bearish pattern, and then you got this bear cross of the EMAs that is actually about to happen, and that's the second combination, which is also a bearish pattern. And from there, boom, swipe to the downside, and that's it. Technical target is 24,100, and that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.